In today's video, I'll guide you how to unregister your account if it's already registered to another phone. Note that to complete this process, you need access to the phone currently registered to your GCash account. If you're unable to log in on your desired phone because the account is registered on another device, here's how to fix it. Open the GCash app and go to Profile. Navigate to Settings, then select Account Security. Tap on Register Devices and select Unregister Phone. Confirm by tapping Yes, Unregister, and complete the verification by taking a selfie. You'll receive a text message confirming that your phone has been unregistered. Now, go to the GCash app on the phone you want to use and log in. Tap on Register this phone to complete another selfie verification. After verification, you'll be logged into your GCash on the new device. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you!